expire. And I'm going to bring in your shirt so we can see. Ready? Go. Okay, now we are going to passively expire. Ready? Go. I'm going to test for radial ulnar supination, so I'm going to have you flip your palm from the ground to the sky. Good. Now we're going to test for it passively. Okay? So I'm going to grab your hand and then I'm going to flip your legs. Good. Okay, so I'm going to have you actively put your chin to your chest. Good. Now I'm going to passively do it for you. Good. Hi, I'm going to have you actively retract your jaw to the back. Good. Now I'm going to passively do it for you. Ready? Good. So for this next one, I'm going to stretch the left iliocostalis lumborum. So a good stretch for this is child's pose. So in child's pose, I'm going to lay down and I'm going to have a good neutral spine while getting down and stretching while my head is down. Now, because I'm stretching the left one, I'm going to stretch towards the left side. So in this next one, we are going to stretch the left semispinosus capitis. So what I'm going to have you do is look straight, and then I'm going to have you look down, so put your chin to your chest, and I'm going to have you look towards the right. Now I'm going to put my hand on the back of your head to give you a farther stretch. In this next one, we're going to stretch your left scaling the posterior side. So what I'm going to have you do is move your ear to your shoulder, your right ear. Okay, now I'm going to have you look slightly down at your shoulder. Okay, and now I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure to stretch a little bit more. Good. For this next one, we're going to exercise your left semispinalis capitis. So we've already stretched it, so now we're going to exercise it. So I'm going to have you move your chin to your chest and look slightly to your right. Now I'm going to apply some resistance on your head, and I want you to resist against me 3 different times. Ready? Go. For this next one, we're going to test for strength in your C3 myotone. This is neck lateral flexion. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to apply resistance on this side. Okay, so resist against me. Good. Do it one more time. Good. Okay, now we're going to do it on your other side. Ready? Go. Good. One more time. Good. Next, we are going to be testing for vibration in dermatome C6. So I'm going to start with your eyes open. This is what it feels like when it's on. This is what it feels like when it's off. So now please close your eyes and tell me whether you feel it on or off.
That's on.
Is it on or off?
That's off.
Very good. Next, we are going to test for strength in your C6 myotome. Okay, so the first one to test for your strength is I'm going to have you flex your elbow. So resist against me. Good. Next, I'm going to have you test for wrist extension. So resist against me. Good. Now we would also do it on his left side. So I'm going to have you do the same thing. So resist against me and flex your arm. Good. Now we are going to do wrist extension. So resist against me. Good. And your next, we're going to test for your pain in your dermatome L4. So this is what it feels like with your eyes open. Now close your eyes and tell me when you feel that sensation.
I feel it. I feel it. I feel it.
Very good. Next, I'm going to demonstrate the back scratch. So first, I'm going to start with my right overhead. Now, I am unable to do this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to perform many stretches. One of the stretches is this one. So you're going to take your arm and put it on your hip, and then you're going to take your other arm, swing it over, and really stretch it out. Really feel the good stretch. Another one you can do is bringing your right arm overhead and taking your other arm to stretch farther back. Now let's try it again. Let's see if I can do it. Woohoo! I did it. Now I have to do my other side. So now I'm going to do it with my left overhead. Next, I am going to perform the pistol squat. So, as I try to get in the pistol squat, I notice I am lacking ankle dorsiflexion. So, a way to help really exercise this is to get against the wall and to stretch your ankles and perform ankle dorsiflexion. Another way to help with this is to put a book underneath your foot to really cause your ankle to dorsiflex. Putting a book under helps me now do the pistol squat. Now I'm going to demonstrate it on my right leg. And that is the pistol squat.